Hello friends, Dr. Ranjan here. Today, I have taken some very serious topic. Last few days, I have seen lot of cases of canine parvovirus in stray puppy. Lot of my clients come with these puppies for treatment, and they have got one issue that डॉक्टर साहब ये अडॉप्ट कराना है, अडॉप्ट नहीं हो रहा. I just ask why people are not interested in adopting stray puppy. Maybe there is a lot of myth that they don't look good, but I don't think so because they look beautiful. Today, if you ask me if I am supposed to keep a pet, I'll surely keep a stray dog because they're smarter. See in their eyes, they are beautiful, they are thinking, they are expressive. Some other myth they have that they are not healthy since they see a lot of stray puppy having a lot of itching, lot of skin problem. So there is a bad impression. But mind it, since they are not treated, they are not taken care of, their nutrition is not complete, they used to get lot of skin problem. It is not an issue. And regarding health, one more thing, you should rest assured. Generally, because stray puppy are genetically mixed, they are not pure bred. So some genetics they may carry of some Pahari dog, some genetics they may carry of some other dog, all may be Indian mixed together. So once these breeds or these so-called stray puppy who are mixed with their genetic makeup, they don't have much of hereditary disease which normally breeds this Labrador, German Shepherd or so-called breeds puppy carry. Like in case of Labrador, German Shepherd, you might have seen a lot of hip dysplasia cases and joint issue cases. Once they become older, like 8-year, 10-year-old, they have got all the joint issue. But in case of stray dogs, they don't have any problem. You might have never seen a hip dysplasia case in stray dogs. Rare case may be there, it is always there, but rarely you see all these problems. They are not obese, they are sharp, they are active, they are agile. So in that way they make themselves very fit. Other thing, you see, regarding their smartness, I will talk about. How do we get smart? When we learn fighting with our situational, our circumstances, then only we become smart. Nobody is learned or no one is born to be smart. So these pups from the time they are born, they navigate themselves to adapt in the streets, and they navigate themselves to fight with others, to fight with for foods, to fight with shelters, and these situation makes them much smarter. They know how to take care of their own life, and they become much smarter. So if you ask me, I have seen a lot of dog I have been treating. They are much smarter. See in their eyes, they are beautiful. Other thing is social stigma. That is a problem, but with we all Indians show off. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, विदेशी डॉग है. And this mentality, generally some other people will comment on us, what they will tell. They prevent us to, they prevent people to keep stray dogs. But I have seen a lot of foreigners getting stray dogs. I have seen a lot of foreigners coming to me with a stray puppy, and they want them to take to their countries like Israel, like USA, like Britain, because of their smartness. They tell that they are beautiful, they are smart. So this social taboo has to be left off. If you keep a stray puppy and you take care of them, they become much smarter, they become much healthier because they get good nutrition, their body build is very beautiful. So once you keep all these things in mind, I don't think social stigma is an issue. Other thing what I can tell about disease, most of the these breed dogs, they have got a lot of problems like gastric issue, they have got a skin issue, they have got liver issue, kidney issue, and so many things. I am not telling that these stray dogs will not suffer from all these problems, but what is vaccination? Vaccination is nothing but a slow dose of some disease causing bacteria or virus which is being inactivated, or their antigen in being removed, which does not cause disease, but it make you to fight that disease. The same principle lies here from since they are born and since their mother are in stray dog, they are always exposed to lot of irritants, lot of bacteria, lot of dirty water, lot of things, and their body get immunized to that. They are having natural antibody against that, and that makes them much fitter than normal breed dogs, and that is why they have got lot less diseases, and it is easy to maintain. Another part is life cycle. I have seen 10 years, 12 years Labrador owners crying out that now my baby is no more, or he is at end of his life. Their life is very short. So everyone wish that their life may be more, so that we can love them, we can give more time to them. In case of stray dogs, their average life cycle is above 15 years. So if you keep a stray dog, you are keeping a companion for more than 15 years, maybe 18 years even. So that itself is a big thing. Other thing about money also. Though I should not be talking about money, because people have got a lot of money, or people who love dog, they may spend a lot of money. But if you buy a dog, a breed dog, for example, Chow Chow breed is costing 60,000, 70,000 rupees. Labrador, a good breed, costing 15,000 rupees. For stray puppy, you don't have to pay any penny, you don't have to pay anything. At the same time, see the medical cost of a stray dog is much lesser than breed dogs. It's easy to maintain. So long term, if you calculate, there is a lot of money involved in that, which you can save. So one more thing, it's nothing to do with clinical practice, but we talk about God. God is there, He is great. But who is God? God means a helping hand. We cannot become a God. Only God can give life. So if you are adopting a puppy, what you are doing? You are removing all hardship of a life. You are giving a house to him. You are giving a beautiful life to him. You are not giving life, but it is something nearing to give a life to a pet. So don't you think it is something like, like near to God? So this is a beautiful gesture one must, do in their life to adopt a stray puppy. I'll tell, instead of buying a breed dog, you go for adopting a stray puppy. They'll make a beautiful companion. I assure you, in my experience or any vet experience, they make a beautiful pet. They will give you a very good companionship and very good life. Okay dear, thank you very much. Thank you.